Hello friends, welcome to my channel A Beginner. This is my new channel and this is my first video on YouTube. This channel is about how to learn English, English reading, English listening, English writing, English speaking. I am not an expert English teacher, but I am good in English and I can teach anyone who wants to speak English. So I decided to start a YouTube channel. I can speak English fluently but still a learner. I practice every day and I learn new vocabulary every day. At the starting, my English like this blank page. I can't speak in English. I can't listening means I can't understand what another people wants to say to me. But by regular practicing, I am able to speak in English. I am able to understand what people say. Then I can learn English. Then why not you? So, if you want to speaking in English, then come with me with my channel. Sometimes I read motivational lines who motivate me. So, I have a line who motivates me a lot. So, here it is. I am a beginner. No matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying. That means आप चाहे कितना ही सीख रहे हो but you are better than others. So without doing any further delay, I started to teach English. First is reading. How we read, where we read, fluency. रीडिंग में दो चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं, फ्लुएंसी एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ प्रोनाउंसिएशंस. And there is second thing is writing. In writing that there is a matter of spelling, correct spelling. Sometimes we make minor mistakes in writing of correct spelling. So third thing is listening, because listening is also a part of speaking English. And last 4 point is speaking. Most difficult question in word for Indians who speak in Hindi. So now first question is about reading. Where we read and what we have to read. So I am gonna share my journey of reading. I started reading NCERT books, and for proper pronunciation I have Hincroach dictionary app where we can check our pronunciation in Indian accent, in British accent. I usually check my own pronunciation on this app. Make sure you have also this app on your phone. Now we are talking about spelling mistake. I search spelling on Google Chrome app, and with the spelling checking I also read antonyms and synonyms of that word. Now third, that are important thing, I am listening English on TV, Republic News channel in English. It helps me a lot. And another platform is our smartphone, in which I usually watch short movies in English language. I do not prefer English movies 2 or 3 hours. I watch short movies which are 10 or 15 minutes. Now last fourth question is speaking English. Most difficult task for Indians. So how I start in speaking English? So I started English speaking experiment on my family members. So whenever I ask something in English from my mom and my brother, they laugh at me. Then I start another way to speak in English with my family members at home. So I usually do one thing, that I speak in English, then हाथ के हाथ उसका हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन, लाइक जस्ट मुझे कहना होता है गेट अप, देन अनदर सेकेंड आई विल से उठ जाओ, and another thing like this, an example more, I have lot of examples. It helps me a lot, and it it helps me to get out of hesitation. Sometimes I ask, have you eaten your food, and then another second I repeat this sentence in Hindi, क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया. इससे दो फायदे हैं, एक तो खुद को इंग्लिश से इम्प्रूव होती है, सेकंड दूसरे को ऑड फील नहीं होता है और हेजिटेशन खुद की दूर होती है. सो दिस इज़ माई जर्नी टू लर्निंग स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. तो अगर आपको भी ये मेथड प्रॉपर लगता है, देन हम इस चैनल पर कंटिन्यूसली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे डेली, और डेली इस पर वीडियो डालेंगे. और अगर आप इससे कनेक्ट रहना चाहते हैं, सो मेक श्योर you have a copy and a pen and your smartphone with Hinkho's dictionary. On this channel mostly I upload 1, 2 or 3 videos per day, in which I include daily sentences practice, my own sentences, and choose from comments. आपको जो भी सेंटेंसेस है वो अगर ट्रांसलेट चाहिए तो आप कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. सेकंड थिंग, वोकेबलरी. आई यूज अ वोकेबलरी वीडियो ऑन दिस चैनल that include spelling, sentence making, and antonym and synonym that are easy we can speak in our daily conversation. Last most important thing, English grammar, sentence making, how to make proper sentence, how we do perfect sentence. My videos are only mostly in these 3 topics. So if you can like this channel, then you have to subscribe, and if you do your homework what I tell, then surely in 1 or 2 months you will fluent English. Then please like this video, and you like this video, then subscribe this channel, support me, and share these videos with people who also wants to learn English with you. Thank you so much.